Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 24th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Capricorn, we are going straight into your channel song. There is feedback from the room, so if you hear extra talking, that's what's picking up, okay? Nevertheless, let us go ahead and go into your channel song. Da-na-na-na. Capricorn. Oh, please, don't you rock my boat, 'cause I don't want my boat to be rocking. Oh, please, don't you rock my boat, 'cause I don't want my boat to be rocking. I'm telling you, oh, I like it like this. 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 And you should know by now. I like it like this. 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 Ooh, Capricorn, satisfy my soul. Satisfy my soul. Satisfy my soul. Satisfy every little action. Cause a reaction. Oh, can't you see what you've done for me? Oh, I'm so happy inside all the time. Right, Capricorn? Don't you see you've done for me? 2 packs of sugar. Yes, I am the elephant that goes back and ram people's graveyard. Anyways, Capricorn, we're going into your channel. Actually, we're going into your pick a card reading. I'm doing something different today, okay? So, yeah, let's see what we have for you. So, we got card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. Capricorn, go ahead and select your card. Okay, so if you chose card number 1, Capricorn, your message is the Death card. You're dealing with a Scorpio, or you're dealing with the number 13. You could be dealing with somebody that's a number 4. All right, so I'm getting major change. If this is not major change, it could be a death in the family, an upcoming death. All right, but I'm getting something is about to completely change for you. Okay, for some reason I'm seeing you in a wheelchair. I don't know what that means. Okay, your second card is a Chariot. Maybe that's what's changing for you. You're gonna be locked up. Satisfy my soul, lock him up. Satisfy my every little action, lock up him. Cause a reaction, lock up him. Police, can't you see? Lock him up and I'll suck your. Alright, see? Maybe that's why it's changing for you. You go back in a prison. I don't know if you were there before, you're going back. We're getting 13 years of prison. What is this? This is Adija Palmer. Adija Palmer spent 13 years in prison. Oh, okay, next card out. We have the Ace of Wands, okay? No, Ace of Wands is usually sexual. So unless you were caught having sex with a corpse, or you were caught having sex with somebody underage, I'm getting whatever this is that's going to change you, it's because of some type of sexual activity that this may or may not happen. 2 packs of sugar. We have the 4 of Cups. We have the 7 of, yeah, something about a Jewish place, Jewish community center, Jewish work. If you used to work for some Jewish people, that's why you never went back, because you were waiting for this person to get locked the fuck up. Me getting something happen sexually, and I don't know if police was supposed to be called or something was supposed to be reported. It wasn't reported, and because it wasn't reported, you never went back to work. We also have the Page of Swords, and we have the Page of Swords, Knight of Cups. So maybe a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, it could be an Aquarius, them going to reach out to you. Me getting something changed completely, or them going to tell you, hey, you know that this person locked up, or them dead, or something happened to them. I feel like somebody been doing something to you for a very long time. But no, it seems like the matzos have finished baked. And now we are ready to go through the exile, right? So I'm getting that's why you wouldn't do business with them. That's why you wouldn't show up to work. I'm getting something will happen. Some sex argument with some police officer. Something like that happened, okay? Going back to the cards, go ahead Capricorn, choose your second card or choose the card that you feel was best for you. If you have chose this card, your card is the Queen of Swords. So I'm getting a very strong communicator. This could be a Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius, okay? The second card out is a Nine of Wands. So I'm getting something this woman is saying to you. Me getting you know what this woman confront you. You're scared of what this woman is going to say. Maybe she catch up to you. She realized you were the one who was causing a lot of problems. Okay, we have a star card. Yeah. Me getting this is all about her voice. So me getting, you see if she dance, you see if she take off her clothes, if she do makeup, everything will go through fast. But if she use her voice, if she use her imagination, if she use her intelligence, me getting that's what's being blocked. I'm getting if you're a pretty face who show your breasts and take off your clothes, everything would have been okay. Because you're not a pretty face who don't show your breasts and take off your clothes, you are a very strong communicator. Me getting that's why you're getting blocked. You can't be cute and intelligent. You can't be gorgeous and you have sense. So maybe I catch up to this. You're seeing that when you show yourself, you show your beauty and don't talk like a mannequin, you get through. Things go further for you. But as soon as you start opening up your mouth, showing how intelligent you are, showing people your mental prowess, me getting a that's what ban you. They're like, shut the fuck up and take off your clothes. We don't give up what we don't care what you worship, sweetie. Just take off your clothes for the camera. Me getting basically is something like that's happening here. We have the Page of Cups, we have the Eight of Swords, we have the Ace of Pentacles, and we have another Nine of Wands. We have Nine of Wands here 2 times, 99. Something coming to an end. Or me getting you where I realize that Sagittarius has been doing this to you. I'm getting the Sagittarius is jealous of you. Maybe the Sagittarius is online as well. Maybe you were supposed to be the one who show your body and the Sagittarius will be the one who talk about them, what they know, what the philosophy of life. Gotcha, bitch. That's not going to happen. Me getting that's what's happening. Me getting them want your image. Don't speak. Them don't want your voice and them don't want your ideology. Them just want your image. Just dress up something pretty, take some pictures, post on Instagram, and that's what you're going to be. Just be a silent, pretty face. But me getting you're not a silent, pretty face. You're you're a strong communicator. And I'm getting that's what people scared of. So in order to control that, I'm assuming that them going to sabotage you. Because they want to control you. You have the Three of Swords. So just expect sabotage, expect jealousy, expect hate, expect people for want to interrupt your shit, expect people for be jealous because of the fact that you're getting put on. Especially the Sagittarius is jealous as especially them. Because Sagittarius is usually the forever philosopher. However, when Sagittarius acts in low vibration, they act like Gemini. All them do is chat. Them talk, them never get the facts, them never go to the source, them just talk and gossip 24/7, 365. If Eve was abominated out of the Garden of Eden because of talking and not eating the apple, you would be abominated. Do you get the picture? Great. So I'm getting a Sagittarius jealous as good. Your final card is coming out here is the Tower card. Okay, so we're dealing with a Scorpio or something like that, all right? Now following this, so I'm getting something a change. I don't know if you, I'm getting quick, something happen fast, quick. I'm getting before you know it, you have to leave, or before you know it, you pack up shit and you move out. Your second card here is the Queen of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting you throw her out. You're throwing out a Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries woman. I don't know what she do, but I'm getting you throw her out. Or I'm getting something about jumping to her death. She fall from a story building, something like that. We have the Emperor. Yeah, I'm getting she and the Emperor living in this place. It could be a hotel. I'm getting them live way up, high up. I'm getting something about her death. Either she jump through, I'm getting she fall, or I'm getting for some reason either the Emperor or the Queen of Wands, one owner moved out because some shit are going on in the house. Maybe the house flood. We have the Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting something the Emperor find out about you. You move in with this emperor and find out something about say more you out. But me getting a hell. Things I get broke up, TV I get broke up. Me getting the emperor and this woman who need a problem. We have the moon card, yeah. Something he found out about you from last year, years ago. Or something like that. We have the tower card again. Yeah, me getting the Sagittarius, Leo, Aries woman. She get, when you reach, me getting some shit I go on for her. Me getting she in a deep shit. And we're finishing off with the Knight of Swords. She might be in deep shit because, yeah, me don't know where you find. Me don't know if she cheat. Me don't know if you find pictures of her. Me don't know where you find of her. But me getting all hella break loose for she. And me getting, you don't want nothing to do with her. So, we have Cursed. We have Awards. We have the Empress, and we have Line. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.